The first step is to go to YouTube, then click on the profile icon at the top. After that, click on YouTube Studio. Now from the left, scroll down. Click on the customization option. Now choose Basic Info. Scroll down a little until you find the Links section. Click on Add Link. In the first box, write TikTok. In the second box, add your TikTok link. After that, click the blue button Publish at the top. Now to view the result, click on View Channel. As you can see now here, your TikTok link has been added to your channel page. If we open the About section, we will find the TikTok link in the Links section.